kung ang Maranco ay may pagkakautang ng 109 million sa NAPOCO. I-terminate man natin ang kontrata ng 3R Power Gen ay hindi maiibsan ang pagkakautang na ito. Sa kadalanginan, silang negosyante ang pupunta dito sa bayan ng Marinduque para magpakalugi lamang.
Tama po ba? Kahit anong gawin natin dito, if you are not capable of paying, so anong mangyayari? Wala din, di ba? I have here a copy of notice of collection. This is November pa. Now, ang nakalagay dito net amount is 108,972,881.49. Ito po ay, let's say, ito po ay November pa. So, I think Meralco has already paid. So, the figures may have changed. Now, what I want to ask Meralco is, yung bang figures nyo, saka yung kung sa NAPOCO, nagmamatch po ba o nagkakapareho? Or may discrepancy? Malaki po ba ang discrepancy sa sinisingil nila saka sa record nyo?
Of course, meron discrepancy yan. Lalo na doon sa 35 million na questionable pa, na subject ng case before the Commission, Energy Regulatory Commission. But since November 6, we have already submitted a restructuring proposal to NPC to the tune of 93 million more or less. So we requested for a restructuring, and we have been paying from that time on our current bill. So since it's a long-term proposal, one item that should be looked into is that NPC should give us no less than 7 megawatts of power for us to comply with the restructuring. So our sales will come from the correct or sufficient supply of NAPOCO. Remember, the account was a result of several typhoons in 2006, where Meralco distribution line was devastated for 4 consecutive typhoons in just 1 year. So imagine you have no revenue and you have fixed costs, fixed expenses. So we have been rehabilitating, and we have done that, with Meralco's effort and assistance from NEA. While Meralco is a non-profit,